Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is right around the corner and it's the perfect time to bake these reindeer choux pastry. I know choux pastry is such a popular French delicacy, so giving it a Christmas touch, I'm gonna make it reindeer choux pastry. Isn't it gonna be fun? So without any delay, let's get baking these cuties. First, melt some butter along with some granulated sugar and water in a skillet. Once it all comes to a quick simmer over very low heat, next you're gonna add some dry ingredients. I'm adding all-purpose flour along with a pinch of sea salt. Cook over very low heat for 10 minutes, and once the dough comes together, cool it down, and next you're gonna crack in 2 eggs one at a time and beat it all using a handle mixer or a stand mixer. You want a very smooth and creamy dough for the choux pastry because that's what is the key to get the perfect choux pastry which rise well. Take it up in a piping bag, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and then pipe 2-inch mounds of these choux pastry dough into your evenly greased baking dish, and then bake them at the required temperature for 20 minutes. And there you go, these have puffed up so well, they are ready. Now just use a knife to cut out in the center. Next I'm gonna fill it with some chocolate ganache. I have made chocolate ganache using some melted dark chocolate and heavy cream beaten together, and then I'll take it up in a piping bag and pipe this in the center of the choux pastry. Even it out with a sharp knife so that you have a perfectly lined choux pastry which are ready. Also, to give it a Christmas touch, let's bring these reindeers to life. First, I'll use 2 broken pretzel hearts to make the horns of these reindeers. It's gonna look so cute. Next goes in some candy eyes and also some heart-shaped nose to bring your Rudolph reindeers into life. Also does some icing sugar because it's Christmas and it's snowy and it's a perfect season. So ring the jangle bells in your kitchen and bring these super cute and so adorable reindeer choux pastries to life. Also, you can find the full recipe and all the descriptions in the description box below. Follow me for more such easy and really quick Christmas recipes, and have a great holiday and Merry Christmas everyone.